Yeah, it was. The wind was so strong that it's like it was already a hurricane. Literally, this is what. No tree fall down so far. Oh no. Whoa! Oh no! Oh my god, the wind is so strong. Everything is like it's already a Category 1 hurricane. Oh no. Sorry, I need to wipe my screen because it's have raindrop on it. Oh! Yeah, sorry. But so many. And this is not Puerto Rico. Sorry, just repeating that, but oh my god, a tree fall down. I think this is already a Category 1 hurricane, or if it's not, because look, maybe the wind gust. There's already one just fall down from this strong wind, or the wind gust just messed it up. My god. Oh. Yeah. Strong winds, and I just hear the whistle, just like somebody is whistling so hard that it's causing really just a lot of wind. It looks like I never experienced this before, or I did with Hurricane Irma 2017 in Florida, but still. Just it says I'm on a flash flood warning, but I don't think any flood is coming except all the way over here. Oh no, now not a strong wind. Hold on tight, guys. If any strong wind appear, I'm just gonna tell you guys that. Oh, maybe there's one coming. Yeah, you can't see it, but still. Like what I said, one branch or something, or a tree fall down. Sorry, I had to wipe my screen. I'll tell you guys what the damage had caused after this move out of the island. Maybe or not. But my time is almost up, so now I'm just going to end this.